ended up in a ditch. Oh.
Because I did a little
Little drift. So what are we doing today, guys? We're getting some footage of Jaden's car.
Jaden's brand new Tesla.
About to go film some stuff with buddies. So we're taking my Tesla, my buddy's Mustang, my buddy's Tesla, my buddy's Mercedes. So we're gonna roll 4 deep. And we're gonna be chilling. It's gonna be a fun time. Hey, you guys, I forgot my wallet, so I'll meet you guys there. I'll be right back. I'll be right over there. I'll be 5 minutes behind.
What's going on with you little nut grabbers?
I forgot my wallet. I'll be behind you guys.
What do you need your wallet for, dog? You have Apple Pay? Hold the front or something. Whatever.
It's for B and for my ID in case I get in trouble and all that.
Alrighty.
I just pulled in front of my house. So I might as well grab it anyway. So.
Alright.
Forgot my wallet. It's crazy. All right, so far today we're having a little bit of a delay. Everybody showed up maybe 30 minutes late, 20-30 minutes late, and I forgot my wallet. So I probably lost another 5-10 minutes. I'm behind them. But where we're going is we're gonna dip off into California, and we're gonna, grab a few snacks from the gas station and go take some pretty footage of some cool cars and just kind of all link up and meet up, and maybe we'll do some spicy stuff. Maybe we'll do some donuts, some burnouts and stuff like that. My buddies are here. They pulled up for me and for this YouTube channel, and they're gonna help get some stuff filmed. And my buddy's got a cool Tesla Model 3 Performance, brand new, the new revision of it, and it's gonna be a sick car. I think. I know I've driven them before. The ones I drove were all restricted to 90 miles an hour because they were all at the Tesla showroom. And they don't let you wild out too fast over there. But it's going to be a good day. Hope it warms up. It's a little cold. It's a little chilly. And we just got a bunch of cameras. We're going to test out a bunch of camera equipment. So we're testing out the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. We're testing out the DJI, what's it called? It's the little vlog camera number 2. I think it's the Osmo. Yeah, DJI Osmo 2, I think. And then we got a GoPro that we're going to be testing out and doing some filming with. And then I have a old, I think it's either a Panasonic or a LUMIX or a Sony, I'm not sure. But like a real camera, like a big camera thing. I don't know how well that one's gonna work out, but we're gonna test some of that stuff out. And then I got my OnePlus. Now, I don't even know what model it is. I don't know. But that's what I'm filming on right now. It's the OnePlus. One of the newer OnePlus cell phones they have. And then I got my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And I got whatever phones my buddies have. I think we got the iPhone 15 and we got our Tesla cameras. I don't think we're gonna get much footage from the Tesla cameras, but we got a bunch of cameras to film with and kind of figure out what's easy to use and get some cool shots and get some footage going and see what we can do. So this is kind of just a raw, uncut, unscripted day. I don't really script anything anyways, but we don't really have much of a plan other than get to this gas station, try to find some beautiful areas to film at, film in those beautiful areas, get a lot of B-roll, hopefully get some drone footage, and then do some, since we got some cool cars, we're gonna try to do some burnouts, and we are, maybe some donuts. And my buddy Joseph brought out his Mustang. I don't really know what it is. I think it's a 4.6 GT. I think it's like 2004. I applaud him for having a muscle car still. Lots of my friends have Teslas and Mercedes and Honda and Audi. Very few of my friends locally, so in Reno, locally to me, have muscle cars. And the ones that do, they're all multiple year-long projects, maybe 10 years in, still on jack stands, still struggling. So right now, me and Joseph, we both have Mustangs. Mine's Chevy swapped, but still, 6-speed Mustangs. We're definitely going to get a race in with those Mustangs and do some cool stuff one day, eventually. So, yeah. You guys found the bakery?
Oh man, had to. It smells like
Y'all eating snacks? About to go across the street to film my buddy's Tesla Model 3 Performance. My car's right over there. Let's cross the street. At the Texaco. You already know. Let's see what we got over here. That guy. That guy right there. That guy. Yeah, we're about to strap up Jaden. Alright, here you go.
hell yeah.
Here you go. You want a hat?
Rip me out.
Here you go.
Yes.
Got them some Mr. Nate hats. Here's how we're gonna do it. Get this on.
Oh, you got the 12?
I have that. We could do it. But it's a little heavy?
A little heavy.
Yeah, you're not gonna be doing it the whole day, you know?
Yeah, I know.
It's just for the drive to
I'm gonna record. See,
So where we're
start
going.
it now so we can see me getting
let's
in
see
the
how
car.
Jaden looks. The GoPro setup. Alright, let's go over there. And then you're gonna take off first. So we're gonna figure out a spot that you're going to. And then you're just gonna leave it recording and that whole time, okay? So we can get some POV footage of the Tesla.
Hey, edit it.
Yes.
What a vibe. I know. Yeah, I definitely want to get in the middle of the dam and get like a...
Well, remember this is the prettier one that has both sides.
I thought that was this one.
No,
Oh, okay.
this is a prettier one.
This is just where it starts, huh?
Yeah. Just where it starts.
Car driving good? The brakes?
Kind of good.
Nice.
Okay. Let me show Jaden what I got him to help him out today and on other days. I got one for you too, Joseph, when I get to the house.
What's that? Oh, a shooter?
No, just a little gift. A little gift. Got the Mr. Sam spray wax. It's because whenever you drive your car, it gets dirty, right? But then you want to take pictures of your car in cool places, right?
Yep. Like this little dirt mark
So,
right
for example, yeah, that little dirt mark, all that's what you're gonna spray that and wipe it up. Be cool. Be sick if it was a prayed out. Yeah, you gotta pop that thing open. Oh, you can get chemicals in your mouth, dog. There you go.
God damn it. My hands are so cold.
Is it that cold? What you think what is it out here? Like 30
It's like
degrees?
35, yeah.
35? I'm glad we came at this time. We got some good lighting on us. Hey, I'll pick up the trash. You don't want to litter. Never litter. Let's just let him. His trunk on open again. Just a perfect little cleanup. Whatever he needs to. The car's beeping.
I know, I gotta turn that off.
So the Tesla does when he's close to the trunk, it wants to open up the trunk. So it beeps like an idiot when he's washing his car. But it's all good. I don't want to fall on this dirt right here. Look how pretty this thing looks, though. Oh my God. I haven't watched it. I know. And just film
You're not on
myself
camera.
and you're talking.
I'm on camera. They're
You're
watching
not
me.
on camera.
You're not very photogenic.
Watch me.
Yeah.
Shut up. Shut the up.
Is your vision that bad? You gotta look that close?
No, I'm just around.
He's doing the
He's making sure he looks good.
Why not? We have time.
Oh,
Cars, do one without all the cars, and then
oh
that way I can finish my beer.
Wait, is it recording or you have to put a phone on it? What?
It moves as you do.
Dude, it's gonna give you a big old nose in that thing. Right? It's gonna be that damn 2.0.
Oh, it's funny. That one's funny. Oh, oh. I haven't used this in years. You're gonna hate on me. You guys are always hating. We're getting some footage in. Look at my setup I got right now. Check this out. Got a bunch of trash down there, but DJI, little camera thing. So yeah, we're gonna hop in the whip, try to find a good spot, and we'll see what happens. We will see what happens.
Yeah, good job, Ernesto. Wow, Ernesto. Gotta put this on the OnlyFans.
He just wants to take a piss in a beautiful view. I hope our cars don't get dirty. Or some shit like that.
That's
Because I
stupid
got a
rage
bunch
bait.
of footage of our getting filthy.
It's too late. It's too late.